Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is going to be a little different. I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad. So if you go back and look at some of my most recent videos, I'm not gonna lie, the quality is trash. So I got the iPad 9th generation with 64 gigs, and I got the color space gray. So funny story with this, I actually ordered the iPad Air 4 from Amazon, and they sent me the wrong iPad, and apparently the iPad 9th generation came out like September 24th of this year, 2021. So you can clearly tell that this one is newer, and I was like, if this one is newer, I'm not taking it back. So I just kind of kept this one. But here is what it looks like. You can clearly tell that I've already been using it. I use this mainly for like study purposes. I don't really use my iPad to take notes really like that, because I just like to use paper. I've been using paper for so long. But this is what it looks like. I also got a case for it. It's a really cute powder blue sleep wake case, and you can see that I have a little space for a pencil. I don't have an Apple pencil, but I got a pencil, okay? I have a pencil. So this is what it looks like. I'm just in love with this little thing. I have so much fun with it, like every day. I find something new to do something to it every day. But this case is one of those cases that you can flip up and kind of set it up. I use this like if I'm watching a TV show and I'm cooking or something, and then you can put it the other way, and if you want to write, then you will have like an elevated surface to write on. So now I have my Apple pencil in quotes, but this one works just fine. I don't know how the Apple pencil works, but this one does what it's supposed to do. So here is a note-taking app that I used to use. I don't use it anymore because it was getting on my nerves. But this is what it looks like. You can see that the pencil writes really smoothly. Please excuse my trash handwriting. I'm getting better at it. I've only had the pencil for like almost like a week and a half now, and I'm trying to write something on my iPad like every day so I can get my handwriting better, so I can write legible notes on my iPad. But I just really like, like writing stuff in my iPad because I'm not using paper. Like I have a whole lot of stuff in just one thing. But like when I take notes in class, I use paper. But here is just something that I like to do. I found this coloring app. It's called Pigment, and it's so fun. I kind of do this before I go to bed because it's just fun. I can color like really intricate things, and it'll be like an ongoing project, so I feel like I'm doing something. And the next feature that I like about this is this like swipe up from the bottom right corner thing to do to like write myself a quick note. I just did study for my test, which I really need to do in real life. But here is what I have in my note-taking app. I have stuff for my classes. I have a list of things I want to do after I graduate, and I have some post-college content that I want to do. So, like I said, I have all my stuff in one place. So here is my last accessory that I got. So I bought this off Amazon again, and it's an external Bluetooth keyboard. So I use this. Well, I don't really use it yet. I'm really thinking about returning it just because like it's kind of small, but either way it's still kind of cute. I might like it. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.